Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing an unboxing of an SLG that I recently purchased, and this is my first time opening it, so I'm super excited. It's a pre-loved SLG, and I've been thinking I really need to up my game right now with SLGs because I hardly have any. I have like one Louis Vuitton wallet, so this is oh, how cute. It's a little thank you for your purchase. Really cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's so nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Oops. Oh, I'm gonna need the scissor. Give me 1 second. Bear with me. Oh, goodness, she really did a great job wrapping this. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Okay, so I had to stop the video for a second and open it up because it was wrapped so heavily in plastic, which was really nice. It really kept it from getting squished in the delivery. But anyways, it's a Gucci wallet, zipper all the way around. It's the Soho Gucci wallet. How cute is this? Comes with the dust bag. So let me just open it up. There's this cute little tassel here, which is adorable. Let me just open up the wallet so I can show you the inside. Okay. So inside it has 2 compartments, a zipper for the coins, and it has on this side some slots for cards. I don't know if you can see that. And so is this side. So there's 4 card slots altogether. Overall, in really good condition. It's pre-loved, but I don't see any scratches. It's the pebble leather, and it's in black. It's super cute. I'm so excited about this wallet. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like videos like this, follow my channel down below, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thanks again.